Chapter 12. Festivals we celebrate. Learning objectives. Kinds of festivals. National festivals. Religious festivals. Harvest festivals. India is a land of different religions and many languages. People of different religions celebrate different festivals. A festival is a special occasion of celebration and feasting. People wear new clothes on the festival day. Many types of sweets are prepared. People dance and sing in their own ways. Kinds of festivals. Festivals play an important role in bringing unity in diversity. They teach us to live in harmony. Some festivals are linked with religion as Dussehra, Eid and Christmas. Some festivals are linked with seasons such as Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, etc. Some festivals are celebrated all over the country. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Birthdays of famous people are also celebrated. Some festivals like Baisakhi, Pongal, Onam, Bihu, etc. are celebrated only in some parts of our country. National festivals. The entire country celebrates the national festivals with great joy and pride. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. India became free from British rule on this day in 1947. On this day, every year, the Prime Minister unfurls the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day. 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day every year. On this day, India became a republic in 1950. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi on this day. Soldiers of Army, Air Force and Navy march down Rajpath. School children and folk dances from different states of India take part in it. Beautiful tableaus from every state also take part in the parade. The President table and honors brave children with bravery awards. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is called the father of the nation. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti every year on 2nd October. People visit the Rajghat and pay their respect at the Samadhi where the last remains are kept of Mahatma Gandhi. Fact File. Mahatma Gandhi is also lovingly called Bapu. Religious festivals. Religious festivals are mostly celebrated by the people of particular religion. The main religious festivals celebrated in our country are the following. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is also an important festival of Hindus. It is celebrated 20 days after Dussehra. It marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. People decorated their homes with colorful lights, flowers and diyas. People worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi on this day. Sweets are distributed and gifts are exchanged. Dussehra. Dussehra, also called Vijayadashmi, is celebrated for 10 days. Ram Leela is staged on these days. Dussehra celebrated the victory of good over evil. Lord Rama killed Ravana, the 10-headed demon king, on this day. At the time of Dussehra, Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal and some other states. Only this day, effigies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt. Durga Puja. Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal prior to Dussehra for 4 days. Goddess Durga, who had slayed demons according to legend, is worshipped. Her idol is immersed in water on Vijayadashmi, the Dussehra day. Holi. Holi, mainly celebrated in North India, is a festival of colors. During the month of March, the weather is neither hot nor cold. At this time, wheat, gram, mustard and millets are ready for harvesting. Men, women and children sing and dance. They throw colored powder known as gulal and water on each other. Christmas. Christmas marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over the world. It is an important festival of Christians. Churches are decorated, prayers are held there. A decorated Christmas tree is placed in every house. People wish each other. They exchange gifts. Eid ul-Fitr. Eid is the most important festival of Muslims. It marks the end of the month-long fasting, a period known as Ramzan. People go to the mosque to offer prayers. They greet each other saying Eid Mubarak. A special sweet dish called Sevaiya is prepared on this day. Guru Purab. Birth anniversaries of all the 10 Sikh Gurus were celebrated as Guru Purab. Sikhs wear new clothes and participate in huge procession on this day. They go to the Gurudwaras and pray. People also eat a common community meal called langar. They even serve sharbat to travelers on the roadsides. Fact file. The langar is an open kitchen set up by Gurudwaras which provides free meals. It was started by Sikh Guru Amar Das. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima falls on the full moon night in the month of Vaishakh, April or May. It relates to the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. Pilgrims from all over the world visit Bodh Gaya, the place of Lord Buddha's enlightenment. Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti is a Jain festival which is held to celebrate the birth anniversary of Lord Mahavira, the founder of Jainism. Lord Mahavira preached non-violence. On this day, the Jain temples are decorated with flags. People meditate and offer prayers on Mahavir Jayanti. Ganesh Chaturthi. It is one of the important festivals of Maharashtra. On this occasion, people worship Lord Ganesha, the god of wisdom. On the last day, the idols of Ganesha are immersed in rivers. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated to thank God for a good harvest. Some of the important harvest festivals are as follows. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the month of January. People worship Lord Indra. People worship Lord Indra, the warrior god and the lord of rain and thunder, for giving them rain for their crops. They also pray to sun god. During Pongal, the farmers decorate and worship their cows. A dish called Pongal rice is prepared and served. Onam. Onam is celebrated to welcome King Mahabali in Kerala. It is an important harvest festival. It is celebrated in August or September. People get together and eat food on banana leaves. Snake boat races are held. Elephants are decorated and paraded on the streets. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is colorful festival. It is celebrated mainly in Punjab in the month of April. On this day, the people of Punjab perform the famous Bhangra dance. This festival marks ripening of the Rabi harvest. Festivals bring joy, peace and harmony among people as the people share gifts and sweets and greet one another on these days. They bring unity among the people of a country. All festivals teach us to live together with unity and harmony. Fact file. Bihu is a harvest festival of Assam and Ugadi of Karnataka. Points to remember. A number of national, religious and harvest festivals are celebrated in India. The national festivals, Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti remind us of the great historical events in India. Religious festivals like Diwali, Durga Puja, Christmas, Eid and Guru Purab are celebrated all over India. Pongal, Onam and Baisakhi are harvest festivals. These are celebrated to thank God for a good harvest. Buddha Purnima, Mahavir Jayanti and Ganesh Chaturthi are also celebrated. All festivals teach us to live together with unity and harmony. B.